used short English sentences. Subscribe, like and share the video. Fly, मक्खी. एक मक्खी मुझे परेशान कर रही है. A fly is bothering me. A fly is bothering me. Ask, पूछना. क्या मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? उदास होना. Be sad. उदास होने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to be sad? What is there to be sad? याद है. Remember. क्या मैं आपको याद हूँ? Do you remember me? Do you remember me? ध्यान. Attention. ध्यान दीजिए. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. दुख या खेद. Sorry. मुझे तुम्हें दुख देने के लिए माफ़ कर दो. Sorry to hurt you. आराम. Comfortable. आराम से रहो. Be comfortable. Be comfortable. बोलना. Speak. मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Let me speak. सोचना. Think. मुझे सोचने के लिए थोड़ा समय दीजिए. Give me some time to think. Give me some time to think. Meet. मिलना. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Pleasure to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. डरना. Afraid. मैं मौत से नहीं डरता. I am not afraid of death. I am not afraid of death. शर्मिंदा होना. Shamed. आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए. You must be shamed. You must be shamed. हिम्मत. Dare. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई मुझे छूने की? How dare you to touch me? How dare you to touch me? काटना. Bite. अपने नाखून मत काटो. Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. जल्दबाजी. Hasty. जल्दबाजी मत करो. Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. कुल्ला करो. Rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth. घड़ियाली आंसू. Crocodile tears. घड़ियाली आंसू मत बहाओ. Don't shed crocodile tears. Don't shed crocodile tears. तुम्हें और कुछ चाहिए? Do you want anything else? Do you want anything else? जहाँ कहीं भी. Wherever. जहाँ जाना है उसे जाने दो. Let him go wherever he want to go. Let him go wherever he want to go. सोचना भी मत. Don't even think. Don't even think. तुम्हें क्या लगता है तुम क्या हो? What do you think you are? What do you think you are? सपने. Dreams. क्या मेरे सपने कभी पूरे होंगे? Will my dreams ever come true? Will my dreams ever come true? नज़र ना लगे. Touch wood. Touch wood. कम आंकना. Underestimate. उसे कम मत समझना. Don't underestimate him. Don't underestimate him. उपदेश. Preaching. उपदेश देना बंद करो. Stop preaching. Stop preaching. झूठ बोलना. Tell a lie. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. दोष. Blame. किसे दोष दिया जाए? Who is to blame? Who is to blame? आप जो भी करना चाहते हो करो. Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. गलत. Wrong. तुम मुझे गलत समझ रहे हो. You are taking me wrong. You are taking me wrong. बुरा. Bad. मैं उतना बुरा नहीं हूँ. I'm not that bad. I'm not that bad. मतलब. Mean. मेरा मतलब ये नहीं था. I did not mean it. Say. कहना. मुझे ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था. I should not have said that. वह दूध का धुला नहीं है. He is not sand. He is not sand. तुम होते कौन हो? Who the hell are you? Who the hell are you? Thank you for the watching video. Like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. and keep support, keep watching, keep learning.